Today, we're tackling something fun, a fourth grade IQ test.
So, think you're smarter than a fourth grader? Let's put that to the test. I've got 10 questions from a real quiz. Play along and see how you stack up. Okay, first up is logic. Can you complete this series? There are 2 patterns happening here. The answer is L. You add 3 to the number, then skip 2 letters. Simple, right? All right, language puzzle time. How many vowels are in "the train was late"? And the answer is 6. Did you catch them all? Okay, time for the classic odd one out. Which one of these doesn't belong? It's the pig. A pony, kitten, and larva are all names for baby animals. Let's do some math. Start with $40.50. Spend $35.50. Then find $5.25. What do you have? You should have $10.25 left. Just some basic math. How are you doing so far? Here's an analogy. Petrol is fuel for a car, so what's the fuel for a person? Yep, it's food. That's the fuel that powers our bodies. All right, let's get into the tech round. Which printer uses electrostatic digital printing? Any guesses? That's the laser printer. It uses static electricity and toner to get the job done. Okay, take a look at these logos. Which one is not an operating system? Careful now. So, the test says it's Android. Yeah, I know, weird choice, since it totally is an OS. Think about shutting down your computer. Which option is not usually in that start menu? It's log in. That's what you do to start a session, not end one. All right, a little debate. Gaurav says you can't move files. Rohit says you can. Who's right? Rohit for the win. Of course you can move files and folders around. And now for the final question. A real tech titan. Who founded Microsoft? That would be Bill Gates, of course. That's him right there on the left. And that's a wrap. 10 questions down. So go ahead and tally your score. How'd you do? Which kind of makes you wonder, what do these tests really